Right, this is a typical type of question, a situation that occurs quite frequently, where they ask you to enter some page numbering either in a header or a footer, or you want to do it in your own document, for example. And Word provides a number of different options in terms of formatting. In this case, they want us to use Roman numerals, and it needs to be centered and it needs to be in the footer. Well, I guess the first thing you need to do is get into that footer. So let's just go. Let's first of all get to the right document and get into the document and say, right, I want to get into this document and I want to insert a footer, and I just want to just edit the footer for now. Okay, so I'm in the footer. And you'll notice there it says footer section 1. Now that's interesting. It's not part of this question, but you can see there are different sections in the document. So if you wanted the page numbering to start here on the second page, you would have had to have gone and put it gone to the second page, but we're not too concerned at this stage. We're going to put it straight in there because there's nothing in the question that says we must worry about different sections. Okay, main thing is that I'm in the footer. Now I need to get some page numbering going. Now there are a whole lot of things I want to put. Yes, I want to put it at the bottom of the page. That's where I am at the moment, and there are all sorts of styles. There's plain numbering, there's page X, there's numbering of PG, there's page X of Y, which is quite a common one, sort of page 2 or 3, that type of numbering that's quite often asked. And there are just so many options. Okay, I'm not going to bother wading through them to try and find the right one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sort it out myself. I'm going to say, right, I'm going to choose that one because that one happens to be in the center as well. It's not Roman numerals, I'm aware of that, but we can easily fix that and say I can edit the field and I want it to be capital Roman numerals, and there it is on the bottom of the first page, starting off there. So the main thing is to get into the header or the footer, wherever you need to be, go and have a look at your page numbering, and there's several different ways of doing it, and then it's just sometimes easier just to go and format it, center it, or whatever you need to do, put it in bold, change the color, whatever you need to do, you can do that afterwards. And that's the page numbers for now.